bells and come join us on our journey.
And cut.
Sweet. All right. Now we can get back to cleaning. Take the nice hat. Thank you, sir. Ted. No, Rob, can you go get the stuff out of your car?
Yeah, sure. Can you hold the camera?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's left it on. All right, free house tour time. We'll move in here. Just shot that scene. All right, so this is the front room. This is right here is where you enter. There's a little screen door and a little side door here. And then this is our front office room. And we're thinking about putting maybe 2 desks in here. And then Rob would never let me get away with this. This is like the family room. This is the family room. Most companies have conference rooms. I don't like conference rooms. They feel inhuman to me. So we're gonna have like a family room set up here with couches and whatnot. When I first came in this building, there was a picture of Bill Clinton still up right there from 1997. All right, and then this is the back room. We're thinking about 2 office settings.
Should you be messing with that?
We're not going to tell them, okay? And so we're thinking about 2 office settings there in that room, and then we're about to be up the stairs. And this room, it's the smallest. There's 3 rooms up here in the hallway. We don't use those 2 rooms. This camera's heavy. This room has got the best light, and so we're thinking this wall is going to be a set for our education material. This wall is going to be another set. Down here is the bathroom. Okay, this is what y'all came here for.
Hey, Drew, have you seen my camera?
Oh, shoot.
Oh man, I left this thing on. It's still recording.
So Rob shows up today, and he's all like, oh, I brought the equipment, and here's the shot list, not realizing that, in fact, I was going to put him to work, and he's not terribly happy about it. Hi, Rob. Are you having to work?
Not funny, Drew.
Is it, did you wear your skinny jeans?
Yeah, at least I fit in my skinny jeans.
Ouch, ouch.
You want to talk about hair? Let's take that hat off and let's have a little comparison.
Hey.
No, you know, Drew, I'm an artist. I fancy myself as an artist, not a grunt worker. I didn't go to college for this.
I walked the first vlog. You didn't say it was going to be in a cemetery. Mm-hmm.
Can I just finish my floors in peace? Thank you.
I vote Ted. Do I have a second?
I was kind of going back and forth, but I'm thinking Ted too.
Yeah, a second? All right, we'll take a vote. This is democratic. All right, all vote for Ted to clean the bathroom.
He did bring the Slim Jims.
He did bring the Slim Jims.
I mean, that's important.
But there was no cheese, there was no cheddar. It was just Slim Jims.
All right, then it's
Tell
Ted.
me to get cheese.
Yeah, well, I shouldn't have to tell you, Ted. Go clean the bathroom.
Hey, and maybe they need to know that, you know, this space hasn't been inhabited since what, the Clinton administration? Is that what we came up with?
Yeah.
He was out of office in 2000, so at best, that toilet might not have been flushed for 21 years. So, hey, good luck with that, buddy.